Yo, what's up everybody? I'm Damian from The Monkeys. Siema, dzień dobry wszystkim, how you doing? And today I'm in such a beautiful place. Lotus lagoon. It's a beautiful place in East Bali, Karangasem, and exactly in Chandidasa city. If you're watching me already longer, I've been here a few times, but that's been a long time ago, like a month ago. So I decided why to do not come and show you something positive and something optimistic today, at least something beautiful. We will see how's the life in East Bali is going. It's generally going very, very slow. Beautiful little statue and the lotus pond in full shape. Look like this is a little bit gray sky, so it's not that as beautiful perspective how it's supposed to be, but it is. I don't know what this boy is what this boy is doing actually. He's trying to fishing, I think. There are fishes there. Hello. The water is not so deep. Actually, there are some small fishes inside of this Lotus lagoon. Anyway, before I'm gonna start today's vlog, I need to tell you one thing. This is actually another bad news. So, but that's very important because when I last time make a video about the bad news, somebody commented as they are planning to come to Bali in December. So, unfortunately, since today, 3rd of December, quarantine, it's 10 days. So, as I already mentioned last time, situation in Bali and in Indonesia in general is very unstable, and everything is subject to change. So this can change again into 3 days, 7 days, no quarantine. I don't really believe as no quarantine. More likely 14 days quarantine, or maybe even not. You're gonna be not allowed to come to Indonesia. It's happened exactly the same with the Delta thingy. So. Keep in mind, and meanwhile no more bad news, sad things today. Let's enjoy beautiful Chandidasa. So now just next to the Lotus Pond is some beautiful old school hotel or guest house, or maybe house. No, I think it's some sort of hotel. The restaurant is closed, but there are some people deep inside. Well, I'm not gonna talk today about the closed things, right? So enjoy the kids playing on the pond. Yo, what's up? How you doing? All good? The guy is fishing, the boy, actually, and a little bit of the local beach here. Few little boats. Here is some family snorkeling, some kids. Little beach in Chandidasa. Hello. And they're eating the pop me, and this is the other side of the Lotus lagoon. Alright, few words about the Chandidasa. The main street leading from Denpasar, Sanur up to Amet and North Bali. So the street in general is quite busy all the time. 50 years ago that was just a small fisherman village, like almost any kind of tourist object right now. Before there was just the small villages. Except of course Denpasar, Tabanan, Ganyar, Singaraja. On the right, on the left, so many restaurants, small hotels. Also, it used to be very famous spot for any kind of dive centers. That's why when the Sanur became so famous before Kuta, at that time many people start moving to Chandidasa, which is this one, and opening their diving companies and some small hotels, because it was so calm and so serenity around with the beautiful coconut trees, and was just very quiet and very virgin at that time over here. Currently still one of the most quiet place in Bali, famous through retired people. Some of them, they are living here, they also own the businesses here, so maybe that's why. One diving company here, totally abandoned, very famous, not so long ago, but totally abandoned. But I already promised you I'm not gonna talk today about abandoned places, because I could make a harsh reality part 4 here. Let's focus about only positive vibes today. And well, many 3-4 star hotels around. Also, if you would like to have something fancy hotel, there is also Alila Manggis, quite nice hotel, 4-star hotel, but group by Hyatt if you're looking for a little bit of luxury. And also Amankila Manggis. This is super luxury hotel. Some of our viewers used to stay not so long ago. over there in Amankila. Aman Group, Aman Hotels, they are always very nice all around the world. They have a few hotels everywhere, and well, nice experience, never been here, but some of our viewers of course used to stay there not so long ago or many years ago. I will appreciate if you can share about that. There is the Vincent, only one of 1, 2, 3 restaurants who are open in this city right now. After that is the Loaf, but they are open for breakfast at morning. It's closed at 3, it's already 4 o'clock. And of course the hotels are open, there's few hotels at least. And Hot Dog Guy. We make a video with Hot Dog Guy some time ago. So I'm just trying to explain you what is Chandidasa about. Situation around is how it is. What is open, what is closed, because well, most of things are closed. I wanna keep it optimistic. So more likely I'm gonna go to Vincent, gonna move my car, gonna have a radler. But meanwhile, enjoy a little bit of the beautiful cinematography from Chandidasa, Bali, Indonesia. Kargas emergency.
We've been waiting around for too long for something to show. Same old places and faces of people with nowhere to go. But we're not like them, we are better, both you and I know. Grab your car keys and jacket, 'cause honey, we're ready to go. Let's get in the car and you'll drive. We're leaving tonight, away from these streets and the cold buzzing neon lights. Been keeping our heads above water, struggling and striving. We ain't gonna turn back this time, we'll just keep driving. You've got one hand on money, one hand on the steering wheel, worlds passing by outside. The flickering light of the white lines in the corner of my eye. I'll never leave your side, I'll never leave your side, I'll never leave your side. The windows are rolled down, the radio's on, and my eyes are open wide. I'll never leave your side, I'll never leave your side. We got no money, but honey, we got nothing to hide. If worst comes to worst, I'll be Bonnie and you can be Clyde. We've got 2 hearts ready to fire and enough ammunition. A 62 hardtop DeVille with a 4-speed transmission. You've got one hand on money, one hand on the steering wheel, worlds passing by outside. The flickering light of the white lines in the corner of my eye.
So the traffic looks like this. Always busy, but the people are moving between cities and cities. This is the only way to going to East Bali, to Amet, and well, many other places around. So it's slightly busy, but the rest looks like this. And the only place what is open, we are open, yes, we are open, jazz music in Vincent. So let's see if it's busy, if they have a radler. I hope so, they have. Last time there was the one very nice bartender who used to remember me. Hello, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
How you doing, brother?
Yes.
It's currently still, unfortunately, not that busy, but the place is so beautiful, always beautiful. Look at this selection of the drinks. If you are drinking, you can come here. This guy gonna serve you very well. Just don't forget to tip him, right? And this waiter also, how you doing? All good? Yeah. All right, having little Albans. Actually never tried, never know. Here is the putu waiting for you. All right, and cheers, guys. By the way, nice music in the background in this place. This is not paid endorsement, however, this guy is waiting for you. Let's join us. Come to Bali. Especially in Chandidasa, it's very cold. No worries about anything. That was the really great time in Chandidasa. I hope so you enjoyed. Beautiful place. Meanwhile, I stopped on the middle of the big road over there to show you this beautiful landscape over here. It's so beautiful, especially with this clouds in the background and something. It's really, really nice. I will fly a little bit drone. Stay with me.
When I go to reach out and to roam, there is no perception of a home. For when it's all been said and done, I know how to act when nothing's what it seems. For a while, all I see is perfect shadows all around. And no, there's no room for one-track minds anymore. I'm reading on the book of my own life, and to a point, the surface is alive. When I feel warm inside my stolen heart, I come to terms with making a new start. For a while, all I see is perfect shadows all around. And no, there's no room for one-track minds anymore. So much for me to do, so many things to prove. Don't feel like waiting anymore. The night is closing in, I'm bleeding through my skin, but I won't run away this time for sure.
And with this beautiful moment, so Moses, mosquitoes, with this beautiful moment of cinematography and something fresh, something new today, I would like to say thank you so much for watching, and as always, I will see you tomorrow. See ya, take care, guys.